Introduction to Authorize Net CIM Integration. Authorize Net Customer Information Manager (CIM) is a robust payment solution that allows merchants to securely store customer payment information and automate recurring transactions. This advanced guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Authorize Net CIM into your e-commerce platform. Step 1: Setting up your Authorize Net account. To begin, you need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. This information will be used to authenticate your API requests. You can find this information in the Authorize Net merchant interface under Account Settings. Step 2: Installing the Authorize Net CIM SDK. The Authorize Net CIM SDK is a software development kit that provides a set of libraries and code samples to help you integrate CIM into your application. You can download the SDK from the Authorize Net website and install it into your project. Step 3: Creating a customer profile. To store customer payment information, you need to create a customer profile using the Authorize Net CIM API. This involves sending a request to the Authorize Net server with the customer's payment and shipping information. The API will return a customer profile ID which you can use to reference the customer's payment information in future transactions. Step 4: Charging a customer. To charge a customer, you need to send a payment request to the Authorize Net server with the customer profile ID and the payment amount. The API will return a transaction ID which you can use to verify the transaction. Best practices for Authorize Net CIM integration. When integrating Authorize Net CIM into your e-commerce platform, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure security and compliance. This includes using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt sensitive information and validating user input to prevent common web attacks. Common use cases for Authorize Net CIM. Authorize Net CIM is commonly used for recurring transactions such as subscription-based services and automated billing. It can also be used for one-time transactions such as e-commerce purchases. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net CIM into your e-commerce platform can help you to securely store customer payment information and automate recurring transactions. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the Authorize Net CIM SDK, you can easily integrate CIM into your application and start processing payments securely and efficiently.